in the meantime, for the markets, we're holding on to a decent amount of gains, even though we're off the highest point of the day. So it's time now to take some chartbuster ideas from our technical experts. I think we can first go to Nooresh to pick up what his recommendation is. Nooresh, what's the chartbuster idea?
So it's a chart for Eicher Motors. If you look at the last many months, multiple bottoms around the 4,500 odd mark. You can see around 5 attempts around that area. Similarly, on the upside, around 4,900 to 5,050, there are 3 to 4 attempts. And in the last 3 sessions, the stock finally broke out with one of the largest volumes in that period. So that indicates the breakout is done, and eventually the stock should the last 600 pointer range should add up on the upside. So looking at a target price of 5,700, buy at current levels as well as in dips with a stop loss at 5,050.
That's the idea coming in from Nooresh. But Kunal, what's your chartbuster idea this morning?
So I've picked up Biocon, a very interesting chart. The stock is now nearing 370 plus mark, which is very close towards a breakout of the previous swing highs. But then what's changed on the positive side for Biocon is that the stock has confirmed a breakout in the stochastic oscillator. And in the previous attempts, whenever we've seen the stock going into a downtrend or the oscillators going to a downtrend, then a sudden revival or a breakout on the upside, we've seen the stock not just recovering, but the recovery leads the stock back towards a breakout of the previous swing high resistance. Now, in this case for Biocon, the previous swing highs is closer to 380-85 mark for the stock. Stock is currently placed at 370 levels thereabouts, and which means that we are looking at a potential breakout of this 385 mark and then a retest closer to this 400 level. So even as a short-term play, I believe a potential upside of another 15 to 30 points for Biocon could be a very much of a good short-term trading bet.
Okay, that's a Biocon from Kunal. That's the chartbuster that he's identified. But let's gather some trading ideas for the day as well. Nooresh, what's on your list?
So looking at two bounce back trades, first is a buy on power grid. The stock has come back to the lower end of the range. Stop loss at 305, target price of 325. Bank of Baroda has come back to the same 225, 230 support band. Stop loss at 224, target price of 240.
Kunal, what about your stock strategies?
So I'll go with a buy on a few mid-cap names. The first one is a buy on First Solution. The stock confirming a breakout yet again above the 400 levels, a very consistent chart over the last 3 to 4 months. So would look out for targets in the range of at least 420, stop us at 388. And the second would be a buy on Som Distilleries. That stock is also confirming a breakout. It's a huge flag formation on the monthly charts for the stock. It's confirming a breakout above those levels. So would look out for targets in the range of 125. Stoppers could be kept at 110.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.